Carrot oil is not just for glowing skin, it's actually transforming your child protectable braids. Today, I will show you guys how I use carrot infusing coconut oil, olive oil, and honey to do hot oil treatment on Princess mini braids. Her hair is very soft and shining and growing healthy. Even while your hair is in protectable style, always protect and nourish your scalp. Let's start the video, guys. So now I have my carrot and coconut oil which I infuse. Please, if you want to see how I infuse this oil, kindly check my channel. You see the full video over there. Carrot infused with coconut oil. You see the video so that you see how I infuse this oil. So after put my carrot coconut oil inside, the next ingredient that I'm going to add is my olive oil. Right now I'm adding my olive oil inside. Both oil I put 2 tablespoons. So but I'm just making that 2 tablespoons in case if it's not going to be enough. I'll definitely going to add maybe coconut with the carrot infusing oil. That one I will add inside to make this treatment. So after put all my oils into one place, so the next thing is I make a hot water, replace the oil into the hot water. Please always make sure to warm your oil just like a room temperature, especially when you are going to use it for a child. You make it to be like a room temperature. Don't heat your thing too much. Still, my oil, I feel like it's not going to be enough, so I'm adding my coconut oil inside, which I've infused with carrot oil. You see what my daughter is doing? She's trying to come to me, so when I'm saying no, she throws something, tissue, just to use that thing and say, okay, I'm coming to take my tissue. But anyway, so guys, after I replace my oil into the water, the next ingredient that I'm going to add is going to be honey. So this type of things I always do, I put 1 teaspoon honey inside. Okay, I didn't put much honey. You can, that for adding the honey is the optional. You can add honey or you can skip that part. Okay, if you have honey you can add, if you don't have then skip that part and just warm your oil and watch to the end, because the process how you have to do it, I will show it to you guys in this video. So as we all know, carrot and coconut oil is regrowing hair and adding natural shine to your hair, while olive oil also stimulating scalp and scalp healthy. And we all know that before your hair is going to grow, definitely you need to have a healthy scalp, right? If your scalp is not healthy, you cannot grow hair, your hair cannot grow, your hair cannot come out. So you always have to have the healthy scalp. So and honey also is locking in the moisture into your hair. So while whatever that you are doing, also your hair needs to keep the moisture all the time. When you moisturize your hair, it have to be long, because while your hair is not moisturizing very proper way, you definitely going to be getting hair loss because your hair is going to be breaking. So guys, now after I make my oil as a room temperature, the next steps that I'm going to take is to make Princess hair, to put the oil into her hair. So stay tuned and watch to the end. And if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. Now this channel is all about DIY and beauty care, how to take care of your skin and how to take care of your hair and your children's hair. So right now, before you apply your hot oil treatment, always make sure to hydrate your hair first. Okay, don't use the thing just start to oil to put into your hair like that. Always hydrate your hair. After hydrating your hair, the next thing is to put your oil into your scalp. Now, so I'm still mixing it because I feel like the honey is not mixed into the oil very well, so that's why I still use my spoon to be mixing it. So what you have to do while you are, the most important of the hot oil treatment, while you are doing it, always make sure to focus the problem parts, okay, and massage your scalp very well. The oil was not enough for me, as I told you guys earlier. So what I do is I just bring my carrot and coconut infusing oil. That one I bring out to pour or adding some into princess hair. So while you are putting it, I always try to be massaging the hair gentle, because while your hair is moisturizing, you are doing all these things, treatment to your hair, you are going to enjoy your hair where your hair is taking even long time. Maybe you keep your hair for 2 months or 1 month before opening your hair. Definitely you are going to be happy, because the length that you have grew, you can maintain it. You are going to maintain that length, and while you maintain that length, definitely you are going to be happy, because you will feel like, oh, your hair is growing. If your hair is growing, definitely you are going to be happy for that, as I'm always happy seeing my daughter hair changing all the time. Well guys, this video we also started, me, I'm not saying I started the challenge for 1 month. I'm doing full year, full 2025 challenge, hair growth challenge to my daughter hair. So I have the pictures, the video even from our main channel, which name is called Queen Padede. Please, that place also, you can check us in that place. We were having a problem in that channel, but now by the grace of Almighty Allah, we solved the problem. Now YouTube team, they have do the good job. I still have to come out to that page and thank them for the good job that they have done for me and my daughter. So we get the channel back now, but still I'm not yet post video in that place, since when I take the channel back. Today is Friday, right? Yeah, today is Friday. That was Wednesday that everything gets normal to us. So after finished doing everything, now I'm good trying to tie the hair, and she get tied, because I do the massage. I massage it even more than 30 minutes, but the video, I don't want the video to be too much long. That's why I just cut the video some part. So always try to massage your hair while you are doing the hot oil treatment. Please, for your children, always take it gentle while you are massaging their scalp. Always make it gentle for them. So right now I'm going to use shower cap. First I'll use some rubber bag to cover hair, and I use shower cap on top of hair to allow hair sit lightly. Sometimes I can allow hair sit 1 hour even before I took hair and go and wash her hair off. And sometimes it depends, it can be 30 minutes. Sometimes also it cannot, it's just like 20 minutes, 15 minutes to 20 minutes, and I'm washing it, because it depends on her mood. If she allow it to stay in her hair, if the oil is not dropping, then she will allow it. But if the oil started coming out, then just 20 minutes time I'll bath her. So that's the princess is saying bye bye to you people. Please guys, subscribe, like and share for us. We need you guys support. We want us to build this channel together. While we are building it, we are growing. Princess will be growing up in this channel. So let us build up in this channel and grow princess.